Good morning, everyone. My name is Shrey Dubey, and I have recently completed my degree in Bachelor's of Engineering from Computer Science. And I have pursued the course of internship program from FireShark on the topic of cybersecurity. And my course has been completed. So, if I talk about the course, then it is a very informative course. It has a lot of information, but at the same time it is not very much dense. That means that it is not very much technical that the beginners won't understand it, and it is also not very surface level that it is not advanced enough for people who already have some knowledge. The course is very thorough and very structured that you will understand everything. They'll start from scratch and take you to mid to advanced level so that you can crack competitions and participate in companies. And they will also provide you with a certificate which is very useful if you are applying for a cybersecurity job. Now, talking about the course, it is also the mentors are also very helpful. They are always in connection with you through Discord and other social media apps. And whenever you get stuck anywhere, you can ask them, and they will be available to you 24/7. There is no barrier that if you ask a question, then it will be answered after 2 or 4 days. Maximum, it will take 1 hour or 2 hour, but it will be answered. And if we talk about the assignments, then the course has 4 assignments, and the assignments are designed in such a way that they'll test each skill that you gather. They start from the basics and go to the medium level or the advanced level, and they have questions that require the knowledge that you have gathered in the course to complete them. And the number of questions, the frequency of questions keeps on increasing as you go forward in the course. As you complete each module, the number of questions increases so that overall you can find that how much you have learned and how much it is applicable. And a very important aspect is that the course is not only theoretical, it is also very applicable. Like they have hands-on tutorial about how to use Linux and how to use other applications and tools at our disposal for the topics of cybersecurity. And it's a very informative course. Thank you, and that's all.